When you legit have 5 minutes to get ready for work, let me show y'all how I turn my babies into some camera ready stuff. On Saturday, I went out and everybody was telling me how my hair looks so good. Where did I get it from? And every time I told them where I got my wig from, the reaction was the same. The reaction was the same from everybody. Like, wait, where did I get my wig from? Amazon, baby. Amazon. And I'm going to show y'all how this wig gets me ready in 3 minutes to get on camera for work. So I just throw in the edge control. And when I tell y'all, see, they pinging me. They pinging me all now. They pinging me all now. Don't worry. I'm going to be there. Edge control. This is the edge control. I'm going to be there. This wig right here, this is my favorite wig. Now, I should go buy another one before y'all go buy it up. But I'm going to link it. It's going to be in my bio. But this is a headband wig. This is a headband wig. And I have used this wig so many times. As you can see, it has the Velcro in the back, but I can't do the Velcro anymore because it's like, it's stretched out, like the band is stretched out. And I mean, I've had this wig for a while. The band is stretched out, so I just tie the band. And look at this. Look at this. I am now ready for my meeting. Wait, let me get my earrings. Look at this. Putting in my earrings. You cannot tell me that I took more than 3 minutes to throw this on. Let's line her up. Let's line her up, line her up. Look at that. Okay. I don't know what you're waiting for. Click the link in the bio. Go get this wig. 3 minutes, ready for work.